This is Freecom 4, the world's most advanced bike-to-bike long-range Bluetooth communication system. And this video will show you how to make the most out of it. Meet Freecom 4, a fully blown Bluetooth communication system that is wrapped inside a small, extra tough shell that is IP67 waterproof. It's also slick, very slick. Only 16 millimeters top to bottom, which makes it one of the most aerodynamic Bluetooth communication systems that money can buy. Now let's learn how to use it. Freecom 4 is equipped with 4 easily accessible buttons. A plus button for volume up, a minus button for volume down, media and phone button, and finally an intercom button. To turn on your unit, press the intercom and minus button.
Hello, Freecom 4.
To lower the volume, press the minus button. To increase volume, press the plus button. To mute your unit, press minus and plus buttons together. To unmute, press these two buttons again. To shut down the unit, press the intercom and minus button.
Goodbye.
Freecom can pair to up to 2 mobile devices, such as a phone or a GPS. Let's go ahead and pair it. To pair a single phone, press the phone button for about 5 seconds.
Mobile phone 1. Pairing.
On your mobile phone, go to Settings, go to Bluetooth, press Freecom 4.
Mobile phone 1. Connected. Paired successfully.
And you're paired. After we paired the first device, let's see how to pair a second device, such as another phone or GPS. Press the phone button for about 5 seconds.
Mobile phone 1. Pairing.
Double-click to move to second channel.
Mobile phone 2. Pairing.
On your mobile device, go to Bluetooth, check for the available Bluetooth handsets, press Freecom 4.
Mobile phone 1. Connected. Paired successfully.
And you're paired. To pair a GPS, start with activating the phone pairing feature of your Freecom.
Mobile phone 1. Pairing.
Move to second phone pairing by double-clicking the phone button.
Mobile phone 2. Pairing.
To move to GPS pairing, press the plus button.
GPS. Pairing.
On your GPS device, start phone search. Here we go.
GPS. Connected.
And you're paired.
Successfully.
Now that we got that part covered, let's rock and roll. To start music streaming, press the media button once. To move to the next song, tap the media button again. For previous song, double tap the media button. To shut off music streaming, press the media button for 2 seconds or until you hear the second beep. Your Freecom has FM radio built in. Let's see how to operate it. To listen to FM radio, double tap the media button.
97.7.
To move to the next preset station, press the media button.
97.8.
To go back to the previous preset station, double tap the media button.
97.7.
To perform an auto scan, press these buttons together.
104.
To stop a scan, press the media button. To save 104, press that media button again.
104. Saved.
To stop radio, press the media button for 2 seconds, or until you hear the next beep. You can also set your preferred preset stations using the Cardo app or the Cardo community. Freecom comes with a full phone support. Let's see how to make calls, receive calls, and control your phone features. There's a call coming. To answer, tap the phone button. To end, tap the phone button again. But there's a better way to answer calls. To answer, just yell, "Hey!" and you're on. To reject the incoming call, press the phone button for 2 seconds or until you hear the second beep. You can also initiate calls on the go using your smartphone voice assistant. Tap the intercom and phone buttons together and wait for your phone to beep. Call home.
Calling home.
Another way of making a call is using the redial function. Press on the plus button for 2 seconds or until you hear the phone beep for a second time. You can also use the speed dial function that you first have to set on the Cardo app or on the Cardo community. Tap the phone buttons 3 times to activate speed dial. Now that we covered the basics, let's set up our intercom. Freecom 4 is a 4-way bike-to-bike communication system that allows up to 4 bikers to hold an intercom conference at a distance of up to 1.2 kilometers or 0.8 miles. We'll kick off the tutorial with a simple 2-way pairing. To pair 2 Freecoms, start by pressing the intercom button for 5 seconds.
Rider A. Pairing.
Depending on several factors, this process may take up to 120 seconds.
Paired successfully.
To start an intercom conversation, press the intercom button once. To end that conversation, press the intercom button again. That wasn't too difficult. Now let's add another rider. To connect a third rider, start by activating intercom pairing channel, pressing the intercom button for 5 seconds, and then move to the second intercom channel by immediately double tapping that same button.
Rider B. Pairing.
On the third unit, just activate the intercom channel in whichever way you want.
Paired successfully.
Now the 3 of you can talk. Start the second channel talking with a third rider by double tapping the intercom button. Now rider 1 and rider 3 can talk. To add rider number 2, open the first channel by pressing the intercom button once. Now the 3 of you can have a group conversation. To stop the first channel talking between rider 1 and rider 2, press the intercom button once. To close the second channel between rider 3 and rider 1, double tap the intercom button. That's it, we're done. Using this way, you can connect any Cardo communication systems, including Freecom 2, PackTalk, SmartPack, G9, Q3, Q1, SmartAge, Show1, SRC, and even G4. Freecom has universal connectivity, which means you can also pair it to non-Cardo Bluetooth intercom systems. Click on the FAQ section of this video to learn more about this feature. Finally, it's time to add the 4th rider. To add a 4th rider, we'll use the 3rd rider as an intermediary. We'll start the pairing by using the free pairing channel of the 3rd rider.
Rider B. Pairing.
And then go to the 4th rider and activate intercom pairing.
Paired successfully.
To have a 4-way conversation, start by opening the first channel to the 2nd rider, then open the 2nd channel to the 3rd rider, and then ask your colleague, the 3rd rider, to open his 2nd channel to the 4th rider. Now all of you are having a 4-way group conversation. Theoretically, you can add unlimited amount of devices in this fashion, but in reality, Bluetooth technology becomes very unstable once you go above 4 riders. Bluetooth was simply not designed to handle group riding, no matter if it's a Cardo device or a device by a competing brand. If you plan to have any meaningful rider in a group of 4 and above, we highly recommend you to consider a mesh-enabled device like this DMC-powered PackTalk. When you're done talking, you can share some music or radio. Let's see how. Activating music on your own unit. Now, press the minus button for 2 seconds or until you hear the second beep.
Sharing mode activated.
And you're on. To stop the sharing, press this button again for 2 seconds. And sharing mode is off. For more information about how to make the most out of your Freecom 4, grab the pocket guide and look inside.